Hello everyone, good evening. In this video, we are going to learn what is internet. See, internet is nothing but international networks of a computer. This is international networks of a computer. See, that means whenever our computer connected to the internet, that means our computer is ready to get the information around the world it means. That means our computer is connected all around the world. See, it is a huge networks of a computer. This is a huge networks of a computer. In simple way, we are going to call it as internet is international networks of a computer. This is international networks of a computer. See, that means interconnection is nothing but one computer is connected to another computer. Say, for example, one computer is connected to another computer, we are going to call it as interconnected. So here, if we have an internet connection in our computer is interconnected around the world it means. So this is a simple meaning of internet. Thank you.